Swami Vivekanand was a great Indian monk and spiritual leader. He was born on the 12th of January 1863 in Kolkata, then called Calcutta, India. His real name was Narendra Nath Datta. From a young age, Narendra was very intelligent, brave, and full of questions. He always wanted to know the truth about life and God. Childhood and education. Narendra came from a respected and educated family. His father was a lawyer and his mother was a religious woman who told him stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. These stories inspired him a lot. He was a brilliant student and also loved music, sports, and reading. But Narendra was not satisfied with just book knowledge. He wanted to find the real meaning of life. He started meeting many holy men and spiritual teachers and asked them, "Have you seen God?" Most of them could not answer his question. Meeting Ramakrishna Paramahansa one day, he met Sri Ramakrishna, a simple priest at the Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Narendra asked him the same question, "Have you seen God?" To his surprise, Ramakrishna replied, "Yes, I have seen God, just as I see you." This answer touched Narendra deeply. He began visiting Ramakrishna often and became his close disciple. Ramakrishna taught him that all religions are true and that serving people is the same as serving God. He said, "Jiva is Shiva," which means every human being is divine. After Ramakrishna's death, Narendra took up monkhood and became Swami Vivekanand. Becoming a monk, Swami Vivekanand left home and traveled all over India as a monk. He saw the real condition of people. They were poor, hungry, and uneducated. He was deeply hurt. He realized that religion should not only be about worship but also about serving humanity. He believed that service to man is service to God. He wanted to awaken the people of India and teach them self-confidence and strength. Journey to the West. In 1893, Swami Vivekanand went to Chicago, USA, to attend the World's Parliament of Religions. When he stood to speak, he began his speech with the words, "Sisters and brothers of America." These words won the hearts of everyone in the hall. Thousands of people stood up and clapped for him for a long time. In his speech, he talked about the beauty of Indian culture, the greatness of Hinduism, and the importance of respecting all religions. He said, "We believe not only in tolerance but in acceptance." He became very popular in the West and gave many lectures on Indian philosophy, yoga, and Vedanta. Teachings of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekananda's teachings are full of inspiration. Here are some of his most powerful messages. Believe in yourself, he said. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Be strong, strength is life, weakness is death. Work hard, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Serve others, they alone live who live for others. Have faith, take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. He believed in youth power. He said that the youth of India could bring a great change in the world if they were strong in body, mind, and spirit. Starting the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897, after returning to India, he started the Ramakrishna Mission. This organization works for education, healthcare, disaster relief, and spiritual teachings. It is still active today and has helped millions of people. Simple life, great thoughts. Swami Vivekanand lived a simple and pure life. He ate little, slept less, and spent most of his time reading, thinking, and helping others. Even though he became very famous, he remained humble and kind. He believed that true spirituality is not about running away from the world but about living in the world and doing good. Death and legacy. Swami Vivekanand died at a young age on the 4th of July 1902, when he was just 39 years old. But in his short life, he achieved so much that people still remember and follow his teachings today. His birthday, The 12th of January is celebrated as National Youth Day in India to honor his vision and energy for the youth. Conclusion: Swami Vivekananda's life is a shining example of courage, wisdom, and compassion. He showed that one person can change the world with strong willpower and faith. He taught us to believe in ourselves and to serve others with love and kindness. His words and life still inspire millions of people around the world. If we follow even a few of his teachings, we can make our lives meaningful and help create a better world.